extended countertop there. So makes it nice, just give you a little more countertop. I don't know if I've showed you in a video previously how the table works, but it's kind of the same concept. It'll pull all the way out. And then it's stowed away when you don't need it. But yeah, you can seat quite a few people, and it's very stout, very heavy duty. And then also I might as well show you how we do the trundle bed, because a lot of people will comment that, yeah, it only sleeps, you know, 2 people or whatever. So I can kind of show you a setup that's in this trundle bed and how it works. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to pull the cushions off of these bench tops. Now a lot of times when we go, I'll actually put the cushions on the floor, and the kids really like to climb under there. They call it their little cave. They prefer to sleep under the trundle bed. Don't ask me why. But usually that's what we do when we go. But you'll remove those bench cushions, and then there's some bunk latches here on both sides that you'll undo, and then this will just roll right out. So as you can see, it's a really nice feature just for the fact that everything's tucked away to where there's not a lot of cleanup, not a lot of preparation and getting ready for bed. Tons of storage in here. A lot of our customers actually won't even put the mattress in. They'll either use a blow-up mattress or, you know, a rolled-up pad, just so that they can use this storage for other things. And then, like I say, if they know that they're going to be sleeping more, they'll put the mattress in, but really makes for nice storage.